The next fifth type, in which concentration is expressed, it is the mole fraction. Fifth type, it is the mole fraction. Mole fraction, which is denoted by X. What is the formula of mole fraction? Mole fraction of any component, mole fraction of any component which is equal to number of moles of that component, number of moles of that component divided by total number of moles of all the component present in solution, divided by total number of all components in solution. Mole fraction of any component means when the binary solution, we know that the binary solution in which one component is solute and another component is solvent. For that binary solution, we write the formula of mole fraction of solute or solvent. Firstly, write the mole fraction of solvent. The mole fraction of solvent, which is denoted by X1, solvent which is denoted by X1, and number of moles of that component means number of moles of solvent divided by total number of all components means total number of components of solution. Number of moles of that components means number of moles of solvent which is denoted by N1, and total number of components in binary solution means N1 plus N2. N1 means it is the number of moles of solvent and N2 means number of moles of solute. Sum of number of moles of solvent plus solute, we get the number of moles of solution. Then write the formula of mole fraction of solute. Mole fraction of solute, which is denoted by X2. What is the formula? Mole fraction of solute X2, which is equal to number of moles of that component. Which component? X2, that is the solute component. We write the formula for number of mole fraction of solute component X2, which is equal to N2 divided by N1 plus N2. N2 is the mole fraction of solute, X2 is equal to number of moles of solute divided by total number of moles of components in the solution. It is the N1 plus N2. Okay, we know that the X1 plus X2, that is the sum of mole fraction of solvent and solute. X1 plus X2, N1 which is equal to N1 divided by N1 plus N2 plus N2 divided by N1 plus N2, which is equal to N1 plus N2 divided by N1 plus N2. When the base are same, we write the N1 plus 2, N1 plus N2, and addition of numerator N1 plus N2 to form N1 plus N2 divided by N1 plus N2, we get the value 1. Okay, it is, remember that the mole fraction of, the sum of mole fraction of solute and solvent, its value is 1. Okay, then next, mole fraction, it is the unit less quantity. It is a unit less quantity, and it is a unit less quantity, and also it is not depend on temperature. mole fraction which is not depend on temperature, because it is not depend on volume. In this formula we write the mole fraction of component, number of moles divided by total number of moles of solution, so that the mole fraction, it is the not depend of temperature, it is the independent of temperature, and also it is the unitless quantity. Okay, the next 6 type of concentration in which concentration of solution is expressed, we see. It is the molality. 6 is molality, which is denoted by small m. Molality means it is defined as number of moles of solute which is dissolved in mass of solvent in kg. What is the formula of molality? M is equal to, that means molality which is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. When we take the solute in the form of number of moles of solute which is dissolved in mass of solvent in kg, means 1000 of gram, we get the 1 molar solution. 1 molar solution. Okay, and this molality which is also it is the temperature independent quantity, because molality which is not depend upon the volume. Volume is the temperature dependent. And molality which is in which formula, in molality formula we does not take the volume. Okay, so that the molality which is the temperature independent quantity. And what is the unit of molality? Unit of molality is the number of moles of solute which is measured in mole. Its unit is mole, and divided by mass of solvent in kg which is expressed in kg. Mole per kg. Mole per kg, it is the unit of molality. Okay. The next concentration of terms of solution we express, its name is molality. Molarity. This L remove, we are molarity, and molarity which is denoted by capital M. What is the definition of molarity? Molarity means number of moles of solute which is dissolved in 1 liter of volume of solution. What is the formula of molarity? Molarity which is denoted by capital M, number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. Liter and also decimeter cube. Liter or dm cube. Decimeter cube. What is the unit of molarity? Unit of molarity. See here. Molarity means what? It is defined as number of moles of solute which is dissolved in volume of solution in liter. Number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution, it is called as the 1 molar solution. What is the unit? Mole per number of moles of solute which is expressed in mole and volume of solution in liter. Mole per liter. Mole per liter or mole per dm cube. It is the unit of molarity. And molarity, it is the temperature dependent quantity. It is depend on temperature, because in the molarity form, molarity which is expressed in the form of number of moles divided by volume. Volume is the temperature dependent, so that molarity which is also the temperature dependent quantity. Okay, we have stopped here. Thank you.